Well, good afternoon. My presentation is about brand Dettol. I think brand Dettol, we have all grown up. There are generations in India for whom Dettol has stood up for hygiene, personal hygiene. And Dettol also understood this, and around 20 years back, they moved into the soap and the hand wash segment. Till that time, I think nobody was very clear about the market of hand wash and hygiene on soaps. Soap was used as a primarily for washing hands, and Dettol created that niche for it. And the unlucky or lucky part of it is today this slot is being occupied and sales are happening for Lifebuoy. So this is the whole right. See, as I was telling, if you were to look at Lifebuoy's market share, this is both soaps and liquid. They are at 15% of market share vis-a-vis Dettol, which is at 8.5% market share. If we were to look at the Lifebuoy branding strategy, Lifebuoy is nearly a 100-year-old brand, and it was earlier tagged as a male and sporty brand. It has been changing its strategy from time to time, from decades to decades. Today, they are also moving into the rural market, and that has increased their sales by 20%. Just to look at how Lifebuoy spends on media. Lifebuoy is around a 60 crore advertising brand, out of which 27 crores happens on print. With Dainik Jagran, it's a 4 crore brand. They take our all editions, preferably 4 ads in a month of 160 cc on the front page. This is a correlation that we have derived out of, we have put our figures of advertising and the sales figures from Economic Times, if you were to see. We have seen how Lifebuoy spends with us increased, and so has their sales increased. So I'm just putting a correlation here. If we were to look at the partnership of Lifebuoy with Jagran, DJ has been a platform for them for working on tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Although they have been a leader in their market, they have been aggressively marketing and advertising their brand year on year. Coupled with print, what Lifebuoy is also doing is on-ground activation, which gives Lifebuoy an edge over other brands. This is again a correlation that we have worked out. Basically, what we see is that if Lifebuoy was spending 4 crores with Dainik Jagran vis-a-vis a Dettol 1 crore, we see the market shares of Dettol at 4.5 vis-a-vis 8.75 in our markets. Though both brands stand for nearly the same. Now this is the proposed route for Dettol. Dettol, we have been talking like Dettol, the pain point for them has been a Lifebuoy. But luckily or unluckily, they work on a very different model of GRPs and CPRPs. So the agencies have been mostly pushing television to them. But with this thing happening, they are looking at print this year seriously. So the idea was, what do we do for them on the print? The idea is, what we propose is increase in the frequency of front page ads. We do larger format ads for them. We do advertorials. We'll do print-led ground activation, interaction with the readers. Also, we do focus on rural areas. This is what we propose. The editorial way, what we propose is to place Dettol as a complete healthcare product in the monsoons. We also want to do the usage of habit, increase the usage. So we go to the schools, we tell kids, because the connect here is the mother and the child is very heavy. So we have to educate both the mother and child that how it is better for them to use Dettol and save themselves from the visits to doctor. This is the creative part of the communication that we plan to do.
This is Jagran newspaper.
Yeah. These are the editorials at 240 cc that we propose. This is a contextual pointers that during a monsoon news, we put a Dettol slug there. Whenever we are doing a Dettol, we are carrying a monsoon news. School activation. We plan to cover 3,000 schools in our area of operation, primarily UP and Bihar, where we go to these schools, make these schools participate in a context, in a contest where they are talking about a healthy future for the kids. We have done a similar exercise with Dabur on their Chyawanprash, which has been very, very successful and well accepted by the brands. This is the investment plan for the print. This is a per month plan. And this is the activation plan that we have worked out for them. Where we have covered school, we have also covered mother and kids in the resident welfare associations. We have also gone to the Gram Panchayats and done brand promotions for them. Thank you.